Industrial sewing machines are like power tools for fabric, but which one actually deserves a spot in your workshop? Today, 7 heavy hitters go head-to-head to find the best industrial sewing machine for you. Number 7. Juki DU1181N. The Juki is often the first true industrial walking foot machine people step up to when they outgrow a domestic, and that makes sense given its design. It is a flatbed, single-needle walking foot machine built for canvas, vinyl, light to medium leather, upholstery, and similar heavier materials, with a maximum sewing speed of about 2,000 stitches per minute and a stitch length up to 9 mm forward and backward. In use, it feels like a steady workhorse rather than a speed demon, stable, predictable, with enough power to punch through layered vinyl or medium leather without that scary, is it going to jam moment. The needle bar stroke of around 36.5 mm and a presser foot lift up to about 15 mm with the knee lifter give you enough clearance to get bulk under the foot without wrestling every piece. A big plus when working on production-style projects is the double-capacity horizontal hook. You do not stop every few minutes to reload bobbins, which is a huge relief when you are top-stitching long bag handles or upholstery seams. The machine is fully automatically lubricated via a pump system, and that keeps vibration and noise surprisingly low for an industrial walking foot in this class, giving you a comfortable environment for longer sessions. From a usability standpoint, stitch length is changed by a dial, and once dialed in, it holds very consistently, so decorative longer top stitches in canvas bags or straps look even and intentional instead of choppy. 6. Juki DDL8700. This is probably one of the most recognizable industrial straight-stitch machines in the world, and for good reason. It is a one-needle lock stitch designed for light to medium-weight materials that can run at up to about 5,500 stitches per minute in its standard configuration. The head is engineered for optimum balance and rigidity using modern CAD design, which translates into smooth, low-vibration sewing even at high speeds. In practice, that means you can really open it up on long seams, garments, quilting pieces, production sewing, without the machine dancing across the table or beating you up. Servo setups commonly sold with it keep the noise low and give you precise control over speed, which is a big plus. For day-to-day work on shirts, dresses, light upholstery, and general fabrication, this machine is a dream. 4-row feed dogs pull fabric through very evenly. It responds well to different fabric types, and it self-oils from an under tray, so maintenance is straightforward. Presser foot lift is about 5.5 mm by hand and 13 mm by knee, giving enough clearance for normal garment and medium work without fuss. The stitch length is adjustable up to about 5 mm on many setups, and up to 7 mm on certain heavy material variants, which is plenty for neat garment seams and clean top stitching. Where the DDL8700 loses ground in this ranking is purely in scope. This is not a walking foot or compound feed machine. It is a straight feed lock stitch built for general fabrics and medium materials. 5. Juki DNU1541S. This feels like moving into a different league of industrial power. This is a single needle, unison feed walking foot lock stitch machine with a double capacity hook that is purpose-built for heavy materials like leather, vinyl, canvas, and upholstery fabrics. The unison feed system, bottom feed, needle feed, and walking foot working together keeps multiple layers moving as one, which practically eliminates that creeping or shifting you get on tough materials with a basic straight feed machine. It sews at speeds up to about 2,500 stitches per minute with a stitch length up to 9 mm, giving you both power and enough range for bold, long top stitching on visible seams. In real-world use, the DNU1541S behaves like a tank that still listens to fine adjustments. The presser foot lift can go up to around 9 mm by hand and about 16 mm by knee, and the alternating vertical movement of the walking and presser foot can reach roughly 6.5 mm. That combination lets you climb over serious thickness transitions, like the corner of a bag where seams stack, or dense upholstery work, with the machine simply powering through instead of hammering or stalling. The rectangular feed motion also prevents the needle from digging or fraying thread when working across different thicknesses, which shows up as consistently even stitches without gathering, even on challenging materials. This model adds a safety clutch mechanism that trips if thread catches in the hook or something goes wrong, protecting the machine from damage. For heavy-duty work, that matters. You can sew more confidently, knowing a mishap is less likely to bend something expensive. 4. Brother NEXIO S 7300A. The NEXIO is where industrial sewing goes digital in a serious way. This is a single-needle, direct-drive lock-stitch machine with an electronic Digiflex feeding system and an integrated thread trimmer, designed to boost both productivity and stitch quality. Instead of relying purely on mechanical feed dogs, the feeding is digitally controlled, and that allows the machine to adjust feed motion profiles to different materials and applications. In practice, this means far fewer issues like needle breakage, material slippage, and puckering once the machine is set up correctly for the fabric you are using. One standout feature is the automatic thickness sensor, which detects crossover seams while sewing and responds by adjusting speed and feeding to reduce clogging and needle breakage. On real work, jeans hems, layered seams, or decorative stitching over joins, this translates into smoother climbing over bulky spots that might stop a conventional lock-stitch machine. It can also automatically correct stitch length at those crossover points, keeping your stitch spacing consistent even when a less experienced operator is at the helm. The color LCD touch panel gives the machine a surprisingly intuitive interface for an industrial. Operators can pick settings through icon-based menus, and the machine offers an easy mode for regular users and a detailed mode for mechanics or advanced users. That makes changing patterns, adjusting thread tension behavior, or tweaking feed parameters much quicker than digging through mechanical adjustments. Auto functions like thread trimming, back tacking, and auto foot lift are standard, allowing you to streamline production sequences. 3. Jack H6. The H6 is a heavy-duty, top and bottom feeding computerized lock-stitch machine designed explicitly for thick materials like leather and upholstery. It uses a compound feed system, bottom feed with a walking component, and is driven by a robust direct-drive servo motor of around 750 watts, which gives serious torque at lower speeds. In use, that translates to confident penetration through multiple layers of leather or canvas without struggling or stalling, even when you deliberately slow down to place stitches precisely. Speed tops out around 2,200 stitches per minute, with a stitch length up to about 10 millimeters, which is longer than many competitors and perfect for bold, visible top stitching on leather goods or upholstery seams. Presser foot lift ranges roughly from 7.5 millimeters up to 16 millimeters, giving you ample clearance to slide in stacked seams or thick assemblies. The machine is specifically marketed as suitable for sewing up to 10 layers of leather with overlapping stitches, which lines up with how it behaves in demanding scenarios. This is a machine you can confidently throw very tough jobs at. What makes the H6 feel modern is the digital intelligence wrapped around that mechanical strength. It features digital speed control, an automatic LH, light, medium, heavy, selector that can either be operator chosen or automatic based on thickness recognition, and algorithms to sense thick spots and slow the machine while boosting power for smoother seams. 2. Dürkopp Adler M-Type 867M Premium. The Dürkopp sits at the high end of professional flatbed heavy-duty machines. This series is built around a unison feed system with bottom feed, needle feed, and alternating feet, designed for medium to heavy materials in automotive, upholstery, and technical textiles. In the 867-1T0922M Premium subclass, you get a large L hook, a standard thread trimmer with around 15 millimeters remaining thread length, and top-tier mechanical stability engineered for reproducible assembly and top-stitching seams. What sets the 867M Premium apart is how much of the machine is programmable. Stitch length, top feed stroke, sewing foot lift, sewing foot pressure, and thread tension are all electronic setting elements that can be adjusted at the control panel and saved as patterns. That means you can dial in the perfect combination for, say, a decorative 12mm top stitch on automotive upholstery, store it and recall it instantly later, huge for production where product consistency matters as much as strength. The integrated jog dial offers electronic needle positioning and acts like an electronic hand wheel for precise control. In performance terms, the 867M Premium is both powerful and refined. It uses a direct drive system optimized for penetration power, dynamics, and positioning accuracy, with sewing speeds up to about 3,800 stitches per minute, extremely fast for a heavy-duty compound feed machine. The feeding system supports stitch lengths up to about 12 millimeters for standard and decorative seams, and the sewing foot lift can reach around 20 millimeters for placing bulky workpieces, with a maximum sewing foot lift height near 9 millimeters for climbing over large thickness differences. One Global WF1515 UT. This is a single needle walking foot unison feed flatbed machine that delivers an exceptional blend of heavy-duty capability, automation, and day-to-day practicality. It is part of the Global WF1510 series and is specifically configured as a fully automatic walking foot model with features that make it ideal for medium to heavy leather, canvas, and technical fabrics. In use, it feels like a machine designed by people who actually sew this kind of work every day. The WF1515A combines drop feed, needle feed, and a walking foot for unison feeding, which keeps multiple layers aligned perfectly, even on slick or stiff materials. It runs at up to about 2,500 stitches per minute, with a maximum stitch length of 9 millimeters, giving you both speed and bold top stitch capability. Presser foot lift is generous, around 9 millimeters by hand and up to 16 millimeters by knee, so sliding in bulky assemblies, thick leather straps, or padded upholstery panels is straightforward. The inner foot height is adjustable roughly from 2.5 to 6.5 millimeters via a dial, making it easy to fine-tune how aggressively the walking foot alternates based on the material stack in front of you. What really pushes the WF1515 AUT to the top of this list is how much it automates in a heavy-duty context. It features an electric underbed thread trimmer, pneumatic presser foot lifter, automatic back tack, and quick stroke adjustment via dial with automatic speed limitation tied to that setting. Final thought? That's all for today, folks.